Join me today as we take a little stroll around the latest car auction here in the Isle of Man. Some absolute crackers on show today and some bland white rubbish. Ooh, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. We do like you in blue. Let's take a little walk around. Oh, she's a wagon. How delightful, a Scooby wagon. Popcorn bucket exhaust, of course, and Lexus-style taillights, next to some white mundane rubbish, and there are a lot of cars here. It must be something better than a Duke or a family Ford. A cheeky little Mercedes for the weekend, just you and the lovely lady out on the open road, a boring old Bimmer and a piece of French junk. But what do I see before me? Oh, I think the boy's found something he likes here. Is it a Chevrolet stepside Apache? Oh, she's a beaut. Look at that grill. She's growling and grimacing and ready to rumble. White wall tires, split screen front window. Look at this bed. Oh, how delightful. I could just lie down and fall asleep on this varnished beauty, the flared side. Oh, what an absolute treasure amongst all this rubbish. Look at those arches, the white wall tires and chrome centerline wheels. Look at the side profile, that great big petrol filler protruding out from the side. Isn't she exquisite? I could look at this all day, but there is so much else to see, like this max-powered Fiesta with its body kit and halo lights. It's just a Z-Tech old thing. It's not even an RS. Mercedes. Some more mundane junk. Is there anything for me that can capture my attention? Maybe a Range Rover. No, a Rover 75. A gentleman's car if ever I've seen one. My father used to have the connoisseur. And what lurketh behind these vans in the yonder distance there? No, not the dump truck. The cheeky little 4x4 off-road buggy. Oh, she's a four-door. Bring the family. Take your friend shooting. Oh, she is a cheeky little number. Oh, left-hand drive, maybe a trip to the continent, the Algarve, maybe. And the instructions hanging. Oh, she may go on fire. Plenty of room for the luggage or the dogs. Put the hounds in the back and off you go. Or maybe take the dump truck. A little blue Swede there. I do like a Saab. And, oh, now. Sylvia, my dear, in red with pop-up headlights. Who can resist a pop-up headlight? Isn't she a beauty, worth a punt at the auction, I say? Oh, look at those eyes. Some two-wheel things and stagecoaches. Oh, in the Wild West? Why would there be stagecoaches next to a Mustang? It says it's a Saline, but I do believe this striped skunk only contains a 3.8 V6, a little sheep in wolf's clothing, but oh, here's the star of the show, a little air-cooled Porsche 911. Oh, isn't she a beauty? Baldy likes the Saline, yes. A cheeky little Mini. Oh, and some nostalgia there next to the old junk next to it. Let's have a look at this cheeky little red Mini. Oh, beautiful interior. Don't just love the petrol filler cap at the back there. She is a little cracker, but check out the whale tail. Oh, the picnic table we do adore. Next to the stripy, skunky 3.8 V6 Saline lookalike Mustang New Edge, but oh, look at her. Resplendent with her Targa top and her flared rear end. Oh, she is delightful, and 27,000 English pounds would have taken her today at auction. Beautiful tyres and whoosh wheels. Check her out next to her friend Mimini. Now Cadillac, known for their luxurious limousines and executive cars and flat tires and beige trash cans, isn't she a dump? Well, there's an awful lot to see here. Some absolute crackers and some that are absolutely crackers. We've got ride-on mowers, we've got a tractor, we've got an ambulance and a hearse. Or is it a limousine for the gentleman? I would say that is a bereavement family carrying vehicle, a cheeky Range Rover, an I-10, Landy, and some assorted drivel. Is that a cheeky Abarth I see afore me? A cheeky little wannabe sports car in the size of a wheelie bin. I've never seen so many Nissan junks in one place in my life.